Macao. Just 40 miles from Hong Kong, it has a unique Portuguese-Chinese culture. Along with heaps of charm, character and soul, it's one of my favourite places to visit when I'm in Asia. But the best part is its food. Macanese cuisine was one of the first fusion cuisines in the world, an exciting blend of Portuguese and Chinese flavours, along with influences from India, Africa and Southeast Asia. I want to show you my take on some Macanese classics so you can bring all those incredible flavours right into your own kitchen. I want to show you my version of the classic Macanese comfort dish. It's called Minchi. It's a meat and potato hash. Simple, comforting, perfect for a Sunday brunch. First thing I want to do is roast some oyster mushrooms. I'm going to go in with a good glug of olive oil, pinch of sea salt. This part of the recipe isn't in a traditional Minchi dish, but the mushrooms are going to go perfectly with the meat and the potatoes. So the next thing I need is some cracked black pepper, good few grinds, followed by chili flakes. So just dried chili all over the top. And then this is gonna be roasted in the oven, 180 degrees for about 5 minutes. So while the mushrooms are roasting, I'm going to get on with the potatoes. Dice them into small cubes, about 1 centimetre size. It's time for frying. So wok on, pour in half a litre of peanut oil. Heat the oil up to 180 degrees. Okay, so it's time to fry. So just gently put the potato pieces in. So you want to fry them for a good 10 minutes. So that's perfect. They're lovely and golden and crisp at the edges. So I'm just going to take them out. So I'm just going to let the potatoes drain in there. I've got here some organic lean pork mince. So we're going to get the wok on, smoking hot, a tablespoon of rapeseed oil, and then in with some onions. 1 white onion. I'm also going to add in a bay leaf. Now this is really fragrant, aromatic. So we're just going to gently stir fry this until the onions are translucent, a little bit golden at the edges. Time to add the mince. So in it goes. Let it get a really nice brown and then flip to turn. Before it's completely cooked, I'm going to go in with a clove of garlic. Of course, you could finely chop the garlic, but this bit's the traditional Macanese way of doing it. I'm going to go in and add a tablespoon of Shaoxing rice wine. And again, this isn't very Macanese, but it's certainly Chinese. And I thought we would take this fusion dish and give it a real mashup. It smells so good. Now, once the mince is cooked, I'm going to add my seasoning. Oyster sauce, a delicious umami note, sweet soy sauce, a rich, thick soy sauce, a good glug of Worcestershire sauce. And then I think colour is so important and we eat with our eyes, so a small dash of dark soy sauce. And that just instantly transforms the look of the dish. Add those delicious cubes of fried potato. That looks sensational. Finally, I'm going to go in with some fresh spring onions. This isn't traditional, but I think it really adds colour and a fresh oniony note. Put that all in and then just gently mix it in. So just keep the minchi warm on the pan. I'm going to quickly fry 4 eggs, nice and golden on the top and crispy on the bottom. So the mushrooms are done. They're gorgeous and roasted. I've got here my serving plate full of basmati rice. It's time to serve up. Pour out that delicious minchi. Look at those colours. Then some of the mushrooms, place them all around. Some of these crispy bits as well. And then it's time for the eggs. The yolk will still be runny in the middle. Last but not least, some fresh spring onions. That's it. And that's my take on the Macanese minchi.